Welcome back, guys. So let's begin the wing design. And in the wing design, the very first thing that a designer must decide is the number of wings. So one of the decisions a designer must make is to select the number of wings. The options available are a single wing, that is one wing, or a two wings, or a three wings. The first one is called as monoplane. The second one, in which you have the two wings, is called as a biplane. And the third one is called as the triplane, or it is also called as tri-wings. Okay. The number of wings higher than 3 is not practical. Nowadays, modern aircraft almost all have monoplanes. Currently, there are few aircraft that employ biplane, but no modern aircraft is found to have three wings. In the past, the major reason to select more than one wing was the manufacturing technology limitations. A single wing usually has a longer wingspan compared to two wings with the same total area. So old manufacturing technology was not able to structurally support a long wing to stay level and rigid. So with the advance in the manufacturing technology and also new aerospace strong materials such as advanced light aluminum and composite materials made the monoplane with long span possible. Thus, a single wing is almost the only practical option in conventional modern aircrafts.